You finally get lucid. You realize this must be a dream. Your heart starts racing and the possibilities keep flooding in. But then the dream slips away. The scene fades, your vision goes dark, or you jolt awake before you're able to really do anything. It's one of the most common frustrations with lucid dreamers. But here's the thing. Staying lucid is a skill. And like any skill, it can be improved if you know what to do. In this video, we're diving into dream stabilization. Why dreams fall apart, and what can you do to stay in them longer and keep them clearer. I'm Kyle, and this is Discover Lucidity. Let's get into it. At first, everything's vivid. The colors pop, the setting feels alive, and there's this rush of excitement. But then it starts to slip. The visuals fade, the scene warps, or the dreamer just wakes up completely. This kind of instability is super common in lucid dreams, especially right after becoming lucid. And part of that reason is that lucidity itself can be overstimulating. Suddenly realizing this is a dream often triggers a spike in emotion. Surprise, excitement, fear. All of that can destabilize the scene, especially if the dreamer immediately tries to change too much too fast. There's also the issue of awareness. Lucid dreams exist in a delicate balance between staying conscious and staying asleep. If awareness shoots up too fast without proper grounding, it can actually wake the dreamer up. So what helps stabilize things? That's where grounding techniques come in. Right after becoming lucid, grounding is everything. Look at your hands. Rub them together. Touch the environment around you. Run your fingers along the wall, or feel the texture of the ground. These tactile sensations help anchor you in the dream. You can also speak out loud. This is a dream. I'm here. Sustain the dream. Movement helps too. Spin around, walk, or even dance. Anything that keeps your mind connected to your body within the dream. Lucid dreaming researcher LaBerge often emphasizes that dreams respond to attention. When you focus on the dream world, when you interact with it, it becomes more stable. If this video is helping you so far, please drop a like. It really helps the channel grow and allows the video to reach more people. Alright, let's get back into it. It's tempting, especially when you first get lucid, to dive straight into something exciting. Flying, teleporting, summoning a dream guide. But rushing in too fast can destabilize everything. Think of the dream like a snow globe. If you shake it right away, everything swirls and gets blurry. But if you let it settle, the scene stays clear. Lucid dreams are delicate at first. Big emotional spikes or sudden changes in focus can knock you right out of them. So instead of going straight for the goal, take 10 to 15 seconds to slow down and stabilize. Look around. Stay out loud. This is a dream. Touch the ground or rub your hands together. Once this dream feels solid, then go for your goal. You'll have a much better chance of staying lucid and seeing it through. Emotions in dreams are amplified. A little fear becomes panic. A little excitement becomes overwhelming joy. And that emotional spike, even if it's positive, can cause the dream to collapse. Same goes for scattered focus. If your mind jumps from one idea to the next, the dream has nothing consistent to anchor to. The trick is balance. Let yourself feel excitement, but channel it. Use it to focus. Lock into one intention, one goal, and stay present. And if you feel the dream wavering, don't panic. That moment is your cue to stabilize. Not to fight or force, but to gently redirect your awareness back into the dream. Stabilization isn't just physical. It's also emotional and mental. Dreams are shaped by attention, and attention is heavily influenced by emotion. If you're feeling anxious, distracted, or overly excited, the dream may start to mirror that energy. Scenes may shift erratically. Characters might act unpredictably, or your awareness might start to fade. One trick is to find a small detail in your dream and pour your attention into it. Feel the breeze, study the texture of an object, listen to the ambient sound. This kind of presence helps regulate both emotion and attention and keeps a dream stable and vivid. Even after a dream is stable, it can still fall apart later, especially if your awareness starts to fade. Sometimes it's subtle. You get caught up in the dream story, you forget it's a dream, you go along with the scene, and the lucidity slips away. Other times the dream shifts dramatically. A new setting appears, a new character shows up, and suddenly you're just following the dream again instead of actively participating. That's why it helps to periodically check in. Ask yourself, is this still a dream? Say it out loud if you need to. Do a quick reality check or re-engage with the environment by touching something or looking closely at the details. This kind of mindful presence helps maintain lucidity, especially in longer dreams. LaBerge emphasizes the role of sustained attention. Just like in meditation, keeping lucidity going means noticing when your awareness drifts and gently bringing it back. Staying lucid isn't just about getting lucky. It's about knowing what to do when the dream starts to shift. The early signs are usually there. Fading visuals, shaky awareness, and a sudden change in scenery. Instead of panicking or forcing control, you ground yourself. You engage, you slow down, and the more you practice, the easier it will get. With time, you'll start to feel it. The sense of calm confidence, even in the middle of the dream. So stick with it. Every lucid dream is a chance to build that skill a little bit further. If this helped, drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more practical dreaming tips, don't forget to subscribe. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next one.